Greetings, my virtual family and friends. It's good to see you. Tidy Tammy here, broadcasting from my mobile office, aka my car, outside of Menards. I'm getting ready to put on my mask and go in and pick up some supplies for a big day, but I thought I would share with you the fact that my allergies are killing me today. Not that you care that my allergies are killing me, but I'm guessing that many of you are in the same position. My eyes are itching. I just as soon take them out of my head at this moment, except that I wouldn't be able to see to clean. So here's my tips for helping with allergies. Microfiber cloths are the best for dusting, and I will be honest, I dust down my bedroom at night because that's when the allergies seem to settle in for me and when I can control it the most. So microfiber cloths, folded into a square, as I've talked about before in a video. You don't need to put anything on them. You can dry dust them. And the other tool that I use all the time is a feather duster. I just have a small, inexpensive one, and I don't swish, 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 swish like that. I gently go along the sides of the furniture.
Well, you didn't expect that, did you? Neither did I, but like I said, allergies, so much fun. So much fun. So I'll try to finish up with another sneeze. Like I said, I was talking about the feather duster and using it gently along surfaces so that the little feathers can grab the dust. And then every once in a while, I take it outside and I tap it gently against the palm of my hand or the heel of my foot to get the dust off, and you would be amazed at how much dust flies off those babies. So that is Tidy Tammy's tips for today. Dry dusting with a microfiber or gently using an ostrich feather duster. Both excellent tips for grabbing dust and reducing allergens in your sleeping space or any other space. Have a wonderful day, all of my virtual friends. Drop a tip of your own in the comments below. Would love to hear what you use to reduce allergies in your world. Have a great day, everyone.